Welcome to the channel. What if there was a crypto project that could store your data faster, cheaper, and more secure than any option there is out there today? We're going to check it out. But before we do, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. All right, guys, if you've been looking for a place to store your data safely, but you're not really interested in the big names, and you just want a crypto project that has all of your data in one place, well, it can actually be done. And it's done with our favorite animal, the walrus. But he's not your average Arctic animal. He's making sure all your data is safe. We're going to jump into this. So, who is on Walrus? Just to name a few: Tusky, One, Tradeport, some big names. Now, why do people use this? If you're going to store data, you want data integrity. And that's why this is always reliable. It's super quick, and it has provable. It's actually proved itself in the data storage sector. And it has AI that makes sure everything's all good to go. And DeFi, that's what Seal is all about. And our Walrus is completely decentralized. Look at my man right here, checking up on all folders with his Mac. We got wallpaper. And what is this designed to do? Specifically, it's designed to handle large-scale data. So you got those big data projects. But here's the problem. You're storing and storing and storing. And sometimes that affects speed. Sometimes it even crashes servers. But this is really, really simple because you can get started with Walrus, and all you have to do is have everything you need.
Feel like you make amazing content, but it's buried in the YouTube algorithm? You want to rank to the top fast. You want to dominate your niche. Let me introduce you YTRanker and show you how it's done. First, we'll open up an incognito window so we can keep our browsing history fresh. So we'll set our language to English, our country to the USA, and let's go ahead and search for some terms here. Let's try proxy for you. We can see I'm at the top. And then proxy for you tutorial. Here it is. My video is right at the top, and that's because of the strategy. Ready to stop blending in and start leading in your niche? Visit ytranker.net, where visibility meets real results. Let's get back to the video.
So this enables data markets for the AI era. And as more and more data gets stored, we need quicker speed, decentralized solutions, and low costs. And this is a good alternative to that. It also uses an interesting SWI blockchain. So this is why it's quite interesting. Not a lot of projects use SWI, but SWI has high performance infrastructure. And it's particularly good because it's fast, has low transaction fees, and is backed by good teams, venture capitalists, and it gives it more credibility. On top of that, it solves real world problems. What are they? Data storage, one thing. Web3 apps, NFTs, digital ownership. Are you going to put your NFTs on your OneDrive? Chances are probably not. The AI era is changing how data is stored quite significantly. And it competes with giants like Filecoin, Arweave. It already has strong adoption, and it's still in the early stage, guys. You can still get started with this. You can use Walrus. You can even stake as well. And here you can see the amazing community, and that's why this is so powerful. This is rumored for big exchange listings, including Coinbase radar. So really excited for that. And if the adoption keeps going, it could be the next gen storage in Web3. The project has utility, it has hype, and it has everything you need. Plus, who doesn't want to store your favorite walrus? And here we can see the information for Walrus. We can also see that it has an awesome community behind it with X and Discord. And here's how you can use it. You can simply go under use, hover under use Walrus, stake it, and even see the apps that service, or just get started right here. And they even have their information on GitHub. That's why Walrus is so exciting. Utility, hype, and the ability to store data in the AI era. Traditional data storage is changing, and you want to be part of it as well. This could be a backbone for NFT storage, making sure your NFTs are safe, your Web3 data. Instead of storing your NFTs just on a wallet, now you have a place to do it with major exchange listings, driving visibility, driving liquidity, making it happen. Walrus is going to be a big player as opposed to the meme-driven tokens. Walrus really does have that utility. It's not just a cute face or a funny character. This is something that a lot of people will likely utilize in the future with the Walrus token. And it has utility, security, and governance behind it. And that's one thing I really like. The node collectively determines the level of various penalties and votes equivalent to the stakes. Also, on top of that, is deflationary. We can see the token distribution right here with the community reserve, walls drop subsidies, core, and investors. So to me, this is going to be the future of storage. For decentralized storage, for NFTs, for meme-driven tokens, for utility, and just an amazing community behind it. If you're looking for early projects with real-world use cases, something that actually does something in the real world, Walrus is one to keep an eye on. But remember, early stage crypto can bring both opportunity and risk. So stay sharp. Always do your own research. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.